legend. I want to do a quick video on the stocks that we're holding, and we'll just jump right into it. And we've got NFLX, NFLX. For this one, we had our stop set at the 770.45 yesterday, and we've moved on up again, so I've moved that stop. So I've moved the stop up to 778.24. LLY, we were still purchasing when it was going down here, and we've had a big green candle here, so we are almost getting above the cost. Again, it is still running through that MA5, and if that candle can get up above my cost, I'll put my stop just above my cost, just to protect myself on that downside and come out with hopefully a win on that one. But we'll see if this thing just keeps on going. Looks like it's trying to get up above that MA200, which is this red line. If it can get up above that, maybe it'll use that and just bounce off of it. AFL, so on AFL, it's still trading a little bit sideways here. I've keeping my stop at the 106.99. It has moved up some though, because as you can see over there on the MA5, it is right there at what my stop is at. I've got it at the 106.99 just to protect myself on the downside, just to make sure that if it does kick me out, I'll come out with a profit. PGR, so on PGR, of course, we had an up day, and you know what I did, raised my stop. So I moved it up from 249.26, and it is now 253.02. which is the top of the MA5 here at the orange line. I've moved the orange line for a visual aid, easier to see. So IBM, I ended up moving my stop on this one as well. The stop we had set yesterday was 209.89, and I've moved it up to 210.98. So we are moving stops up and locking in some profits. So I'm liking this. KO, we are sitting right there on that MA200, which is this red line, and it's trying to bounce off of it, so we'll see what happens. It may end up acting like a springboard and just shoot on up, but we'll see what happens on that one. For now, no change on KO with no stop. AAPL, no change on AAPL for me. I'm keeping my stop here at this 225.29. VOO. Well, VOO, which as you can see, we've had several up days here. So I have just been keep moving my stop on the MA5. I just keep moving it up. So we were at the 533.93, and we've moved it up to 538.94. We've had a lot of good moves today, so I'm excited about that. So we'll jump on over and see what I've got on the spreadsheet. Okay, so here we are on the YouTube stock tracker sheet. I'm just going to quickly call out the stock ticker symbols along with our stop price. NFL, 2 shares, our average is 690. Our stop price is 778.24. LLY, 11 shares at 841.42, no stop. AFL, 25 shares at 106.79 with our stop at 106.99. PGR, 12 shares at 242.23. We moved our stop to 253.02. IBM, 6 shares at 207.07, and we moved our stop to 210.98. KO, 40 shares at 64.61, no stop, but we're getting close. AAPL, 16 shares, 225.01, keeping our stop at 225.29. VOO, 2 shares at 524.91, and we moved our stop to 538.94. So that is where we're sitting here. And just to explain a little bit about the loss and gain column here, this percentage that is showing is the percentage that is either up or down from my calculated price to the current price. So in this case, 15.22% up means that at the current price at $795.04, it is 15.22% up from my calculated average of $690. So that's what that is actually calling out. And also on this column here, where you see it says price above the moving average MA5, this is actually the MA5 moving average at the end of the day. This is calling out what those are, and that's why you'll see a lot of times that the two will match, because I've moved it up to the current 5-day moving average. So we are still at our gain of $68.73, but once our stops are hit, maybe next week, or maybe we'll still be able to move them up and make even more. But once those stops get hit, then we'll be able to close those out, and we'll be able to calculate and get a little bit extra on the actual gain sell here. So anyway, let's wrap it up right there. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you get into any stock plays. And until next time, legend out.